Hey guys, so today I got a request to recreate the hairstyle that I posted up for my New Year's makeup tutorial. Sorry I look like a hot mess. It will all come together, I promise. Anyways, hi, my name is Celine. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I will truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button down there. It's absolutely free. YouTube will charge you and I won't charge you. Join the family. And Happy New Year, guys! I hope you guys had an amazing New Year celebration. And yeah, what are your New Year resolutions? What you plan on doing this New Year? What you plan on doing differently this New Year? So anyways, not to make this video long, I'm going to be doing recreating the hairstyle that I did for my New Year's look. So I basically cut out all the patterns that I need for the hairstyle. So I have this part cut out. My cuts are not like super neat because I obviously don't have eyes behind the back of my head, but anyways, yeah. So I cut out a portion of the front part of my hair. Then I cut out the sides. I cut out the sides here, so making two sides. I don't know if you can still see that. So cutting out two sides. Then going to the back, I cut out 4 sections in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, those are basically the sections that you need for the hairstyle. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to spritz my hair. I braided these ones to stretch out the hair a little bit, especially the front one. So for the sides, I'm just going to spray a little water with, it's a mixture of water and oil. So I'm just going to spritz this one with water and oil. So basically I'm just going to divide this middle one into 2. So going into my Eco Styler gel. Once I've put some Eco Styler in front, I'm just going to flat twist the hair. So once that side is flat twisted, I'm just going to quickly do or flat twist this side, then I'll be right back. So guys, both sides are flat twisted. Hope you guys can see. So I'm just going to take a small rubber band and I'm just going to basically, and I'm going to just cut the two of them together. So the sides are done. So now I'm just going to move on to the back of the hair. So basically I'm just going to spritz. So once the hair is detangled, I'm going to take the black rubber band, then I'm just going to, I'm pushing it towards the center. So taking the black band, I'm just going to pack it in the center. So I'm just going to repeat it for the other side, then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so the back of the hair is done. This is what it looks like. So anyways, once that is done, it's now time to start adding the hair extensions. This top bun will actually be the last thing you're going to do. So for my hair extensions, for my kinky hair extensions, I'm just using these hair extensions that I got like a while back. They're like really kinky and full. So this is what they look like. So I'm using two. It actually comes in four, like a pack of four. So but I'm using only two for this entire hairstyle. So I'm just going to start with the back. So taking some of the hair, I'm just dividing it into two because I'm going to twist it. So I'm just going to take the shaggy end of it, and I'm just going to take one bun, then I'm going to just wrap it around. So once I wrap it around, taking a bobby pin, I'm just going to pin the hair down. So that just holds it. So now taking the two, I'm just going to twist it loosely. Nothing tight, just a loose twist. So we have a loose twist here. Then I'm just going to take it, opening it up a bit. I'm going to put the pony inside, then just wrap it around so it is hidden. Then taking some more bobby pins, I'm just going to pin it down. Okay guys, so this is the back of the hair. This is why I said even if the cutting is not like super equal, the extensions would cover it all. So this is what the back looks like. So now to continue the hair, I'm just going to take a very big piece of the hair extension, and I'm going to just twist the two of them together. So just basically like this, twisting them like that. So this is going to form the crown of the head. So as it is like this twisted, I'm just going to place it on top of. So taking a pin, I'm just going to place it on top or pin it down. Then taking this side, I'm just going to pin it, tuck it in and pin. So this is the crown of the hairstyle. So just try and secure it, make it look nice, make it look neat, what it should look like. Okay guys, so for the front part of my hair, what I like to do is I like to stretch it out a bit more. So I'm going to just spray it a little bit with water just to ease the combing. So before I stretch it out, I'm just going to divide it into half. Then this front part would come out. So basically this is how I'm dividing the hair. So I'm just going to stretch out the hair a little bit just so it wraps around the extensions more or better. Once the hair is stretched out, you can choose not to stretch out your hair, you can just wrap it around. Well, I just like to give it a little bit more length by stretching out the tips of the hair. So now once that is stretched out, I'm going to take my hair extension, and I make sure that this hair extension is really big, and yeah, so I'm just going to take a really big one like this. Then this part that is, I'm just going to bend it a little bit, then putting it here, I'm just going to pin it. So that has held the hair in place. So I'm just going to, taking the hair that I stretched out, I'm going to roll. It's like a roll and tuck. Roll and tuck. So as you're rolling and tucking, you're pinning. So that is basically it. so you can always add some more pins if there are sides that are like standing up in any way, or yeah, so you just keep adding more pins till everything is neatly flattened or neatly placed down. So guys, this is the hairstyle recreated. So this is the hairstyle recreated. So let me quickly do my makeup, then I'll be right back to end this video with you guys. So I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back and my makeup is all done. A tutorial for this makeup will be up on my channel pretty soon, so please be sure to be subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any video from me, and also be sure to turn on the note or to click the bell button just beside the subscribe so you can always get notifications on whenever I post up a new video. So guys, this is the finished hairstyle. I just put some edge control on the sides, which you can do. You can bring out some baby hairs if you want to. You know, you can just play around with the hairstyle. And one good thing about this hairstyle is you can always switch up the front part. You can decide to do anything, like let your imagination run wild. You can do anything with this front part. That is just the versatility, or the versatility of this hairstyle. So guys, you guys have seen the tutorial. Practically anybody can do this hairstyle, a beginner and advanced person. So yeah, just play around. And yeah guys, so this is my tutorial for today. Please don't forget to share this video to, who knows, somebody you know may actually just want to be able to do a hairstyle like this, and I might just be able to help the person. So please help me share this video to your family, to your friends, to whoever. You never know. You never know. So guys, yeah, and please don't forget to give me a juicy fat thumbs up, because it also helps my channel. And yeah, subscribe please. It's absolutely free. Subscribe. Let's get this channel growing. It's 2019. I promise to bring out a lot of content for this year. There's so many things in store, hopefully. And yeah, as the year goes by, you're growing with me, and we're exploring this makeup world and this, you know, everything, we find this world together. And yeah guys, so I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye. Happy New Year.